Our lovely viewers, welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to process sales in POS software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could kindly hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. POS. On the main window, select your store from the list on the top left corner. This applies if you have more than one store. Click POS icon on the top right corner. When cash in hand dialog box appears, enter amount then submit. Select your customer and warehouse. You can as well leave it to default as set in the settings section. Processing transaction. To add products automatically, scan the product barcode using barcode scanner. To add the product manually, type the product code or name on the right-hand side of the POS window. Or click or select product category on the right-hand side of the POS window. Click or select product brand on the right-hand side of the POS window. Click or select specific product. Punch the product quantity from the keyboard or use dash and plus to adjust the quantity. Repeat either of the product input steps, which are 1. Scanning, 2. Typing, 3. Selecting from the product list. If you want to delete an item, click the bin or delete icon next to the product. If you want to clear the POS, click reset then yes reset. If you had not set tax, discount and shipping details in the settings section, enter the details. We highly recommend that you set the tax details in the settings sections for quick transaction processing. If for any reason you wish to hold this transaction at this point, click hold then enter the reference number. Otherwise proceed to payment. Click pay now. Enter received amount and payment type. Enter special notes if need be. Click submit and print. Click print. If you had not selected your printer, select your configured POS printer from the printer list. Processing transactions which are on hold. Click the hold icon. Select action then click OK. Use dash and plus to adjust quantities. Proceed to pay. Deleting transactions which are on hold. Click the hold icon. Select delete then click OK. Register or till details. Click register icon. Select register or till details then print. Select printer from the printer list. Closing register. Click register icon. Click close register. Enter necessary notes. Select close register. Make sure you close the register or till at the end of each day or shift. POS full screen. Click the full screen icon to set your POS to full screen. POS minimizing screen. Click the minimizing screen icon to minimize your screen. Quick calculator. Due to some quick math by the side, click the quick calculator icon. Customers or second display. Click customer display icon to set the customer display screen. Returning to main dashboard or exit POS. To exit POS mode or return to dashboard, click dashboard icon. For support, please comment in the comment section below or email info@posandinventorymanagementsoftware.online.